Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable reduced motion on your account on Discord easy and quick. First click on your profile. Now here as you see you will find accessibility, click on it, and here as you see you will find enable reduced motion. Just click like this and it will be disabled. And that's it. That's how to disable reduced motion on your account on Discord on accessibility settings, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.